Good morning dear students, welcome to your EVS class. As you know children, from today your term 2 has been started. So for this term we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 5, natural phenomena. So students, let me tell you the meaning of natural phenomena. Natural means we get from the nature and phenomena means the procedure or process. Day and night is the process of nature, is a natural process. Day and night होना जो आपका होता है, that is natural process. Okay, and the earth moves around the sun, it's also the natural process. So in this chapter we will discuss about the natural phenomena, the natural process of earth. You know children, we live on the earth and earth is very beautiful. Greenery is all the sides. We have flowers, plants, animals and human beings, and hills, mountains, they all come under the nature. Okay, and natural phenomena is the natural process. And you know children, earth, where we are living on the earth, 75% is water and 25% is land. So earth is consists of earth has air, water and land. Dear students, the earth moves around the sun, and you know what? The distance between the earth and the sun is very far. The sun is very far away from the earth, and the earth is one of the planet also. As you know, there are 8 planets and earth is one of the planet. And life is possible on the earth only because it has air, water and land. Okay children? The earth is surrounded by a layer of air is called atmosphere. As you can see in the image in the picture, there is that is a earth. This is the earth and it is covered with the layer of air, and that layer and that envelope of air is called atmosphere. Okay. Next, earth and its movements. Here we will discuss about the earth and its movement. Movements like when we walk from one place to another, like we are doing something means our movement. For the earth also, the movement of earth is when it rotates around the sun. Equator divides the earth into 2 equal hemispheres. As you can see in the diagram, this is the earth and it is the equator. It is the line which divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. Hemisphere means half part में divide करता है. Equator आपके earth को 2 half hemisphere में divide करता है. Equator divides the earth into 2 equal hemispheres. Okay, and as you can see the another line, this line is called axis because it joins the 2 poles. Because equator divides the earth into 2 halves. One is northern hemisphere and second one is southern hemisphere. So, and the tip northernmost tip is called North Pole and southernmost tip is called the South Pole. And this axis join the 2 poles. So there is a difference between equator and axis, that equator divides the earth into 2 hemispheres. Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. And axis, the axis is an imaginary line that joins the 2 poles, and axis is the line that joins the 2 poles, North Pole and South Pole. Okay, and northernmost tip of the earth is called North Pole. As you can see, northernmost tip is called the North Pole and southernmost tip is called the South Pole. Okay class, and the earth has 2 main movements. First one is rotation and second one is revolution. For about revolution and rotation we will discuss in detail in the next class. So it's all about your today class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.